Ano nga ba ang best CCTV camera para sa iyo? Anong mapagkakatiwalaang brand ba ang dapat mong piliin? Ano ang importanteng features na dapat meron ang CCTV mo? Welcome back po sa ating Goodhand channel. Today, we're talking about one of the best security solutions out there, ang HIKVision CCTV cameras. Whether you're securing your home, office, or business, HIKVision offers a top-notch surveillance technology. Let's dive into 4 key benefits of HIKVision CCTV camera. Number 1, high-quality video resolution. First up, crystal clear video quality. HIKVision cameras come in 4K, 5MP, and even higher resolutions. Wide dynamic range, ensuring sharp and detailed footage. Mapa-araw man o gabi, sinisiguro nito ang malinaw at klarong images, making it easier to identify human faces, license plates, or suspicious activities. Number 2, advanced night vision. Worried about security at night? HIKVision cameras feature advanced infrared and starlight technology, delivering a full night vision even in low light conditions. No more blurry or grainy footage, just clear surveillance 24/7. Masisiguro nito na malinaw na makikilala mo ang subject kahit pa sa gitna ng kadiliman saan mang sulok ng iyong kabahayan. Number 3, smart AI and motion detection. These cameras aren't just recording, they're smart. HIKVision combines traditional motion detection with advanced AI algorithm to create motion detection 2.0. HIKVision cameras can distinguish between humans, vehicles, and animals, reducing false alarms. This feature is designed to improve security by allowing homeowners and businesses to focus on genuine threats. Nasisiguro nito na anumang galaw o movement sa inyong paligid ay monitored and covered upang magbigay ng siguradong kapayapaan sa inyong isipan. Number 4, remote monitoring and cloud storage. Stay connected wherever you are. With HIKVision app, you can monitor live feeds, playback recordings, and even control PTC cameras remotely. This requires configuring the camera's network setting and potentially enabling remote access features within the camera's web interface. Because of high security using HIKVision camera, you can now have enhanced security, crime prevention, evidence collection, and the ability to monitor remotely even when not physically present at the location. For more information, please contact our company, Goodhand Security Products, now 21 store branches, 7 in Metro Manila, 4 in Rizal area, 4 in Bulacan area, and 6 in Cavite, Laguna, Batangas area. Please contact our hotline 0917-560-9365. Maraming salamat po.